Hello, this video I will show you how to use 442 remote controller. This is 442 remote controller. There are two packages. One package is dual row light bar and 4 ports, and this one is single row package, 1 light bar and 4 ports. This is a power cord for the single row light bar. And this one for the dual row light bar. This is a control box. It comes with 8 wire harness for all ports. And there are 2 wires for 2 light bar, one for single row light bar and one for dual row light bar. Okay, now let's connect all lights. Positive, connect negative. Turn on the light bar. This one for single row. Turn on all ports. This is 442 remote controller. It means only one remote controller to control 2 set lights separately. As you can see, the 4 buttons on the left control for the front set light, and the right side control the rear set light. Now let's turn on one set light. Button A is turn on, turn off. Button B is synchronous mode. Button C is alternate strobe mode. Button D is solid mode, solid amber, solid white. Turn off this package. Turn on the single package. Button A. Button B is synchronous mode. Button C is alternate strobe mode. Button D is solid mode. That's all. Turn off.